All right, y'all, it's about that time. No Jake today. I'm cleanly shaven. Well, not cleanly, but hopefully the bass don't recognize me and I catch more fish today without my facial hair. So, show you all my baits I got tied on right now. Damn it. I don't know where the lights are in my own house. There we go. Crawl pattern, crankbait. Little tiny fucking bitsy bug jig with a Ned crawl on the back of it, which I actually colored this red right here. This was kind of a whitish color. Looks really freaking good. And then of course I got the old frog tied on. I don't know what to expect today. I'm not doing a full drift. Just kind of gonna put in at Little Weberville Park and see what happens here. The nectar of the gods, yes. Alright guys, we made it out here. Not really sure what I want to do today, to be honest. I think my plan is to just go upstream and just see how far I can get. There's a gravel pit up here too. I might go back in that gravel pit for about 30 minutes to an hour and just see if there's anything happening back there. Back in the day, the gravel pit used to be the shit. Like, I've caught some giant fish back there. But I think this time of year the main river is probably the deal, so I might go back there just for a little bit and see what's cracking. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start off throwing the crankbait here, right near the boat ramp where I got some current, just for a little bit, and yeah, we'll see what happens today, y'all. Stay tuned. Big, oh my gosh, biggin, 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 on the Ned rig, on the micro jig. Oh, it's a drum. It's a freaking drum. Oh, that's so cool. I thought that hit felt fucking weird too. I thought that felt like a weird bite. It's a big ass drum, dude. Can I grab you in the mouth? I don't know if I can. Look at that. On that little Ned crawl on the bitsy jig. Chill, chill, chill. I don't know the best way to handle these things. Would imagine you just grab them in the gill plate like that. Smoke that jig. Nice. Oh, just got thumped. Big, big, big. Oh my god, it's a giant. It's a giant. That's a giant. That's a big one. Oh my gosh, y'all. That's a fucking big fish. Hope it's not another drum. Please be a bass. It's a fucking drum. Are you kidding me? That is a monster drum. It's turning into a drum fishing day today. Don't break me off, you slimy bastard. Look at the it's a giant fucking drum. Oh man. Come on. God dang it. Hey, don't get me wrong, it's fun. Wow. This is so fun. God, I wish you were a big bass though. Man. Can't get shit on this fucking micro jig except for these mofos. Oh man, she is tugging. Man, if I knew I was gonna be getting into these, I would have brought like some boga grips or something. God bless. Man, she took off. That's a big one. Oh man, she is not gonna stop either. Come here. What a tank. Nice. Oh my goodness. I know she's gonna shake. Watch this. Don't you shake. Man. Look at the size of that one. Another big old fucking drum. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm here for bass, but if I just catch a bunch of these, it'd be kind of fun actually. It's like I'm red fishing again. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let her go. It's probably like 8 to 10 pounds. It's a nice one. Whew. Oh my gosh, did y'all see that shit? Eat it. That was a big fish. Big. Well guys, that was another drum I just caught. Wasn't a real big one, but at least I'm catching something. I was just over in that creek over there and the water's crystal clear in there. There's like 20 catfish in there. There's like at least like 30 bass just swimming around. It's like a foot deep in there. I had like 4 or 5 like good ones come over to my jig, nose down on it, and just like nibble it. But man, I just think they're not in a feeding mood today. I don't know. I hooked one up that was small, but man, they just don't seem to be in the mood to like really munch today for some reason. So there's another creek over here. I'm gonna go back in there and see if I can get something on the board today, because it is not looking good right now. Oh my god, it was a monster. Oh my god, that was a fucking giant. That was a giant. Oh my god. Come back. Fuck, that was a big one. Oh my goodness gracious. Damn it, that was a good one too. Damn it. Yep. I lost her, but they want the frogs slow. Well, guys, not my best day on the river, but that's how it goes sometimes, man. I kind of figured out later in the day that they wanted that frog moving really slow. Unfortunately, by that time, it was a bit too late, and I missed a couple blow-ups and a couple hook sets. Jumped a couple of those last ones off, but I had some fun catching those drum. If I come back out here again by myself, I think I'm gonna go downstream and then back upstream. See how that pans out. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, stay froggy.